Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, your host, and welcome back to our another video in our channel Lontech. And today you are about to know how to make your privacy more powerful, okay? And basically, it is done by securing your files containing your private information or any folders related with you. You guys already know that most of our important files are on our computer more than mobile devices, yeah. So we install different kind of antivirus system for protect our computer, okay? But we should not always depend upon them, so I'm going to show you how to make an invisible folder in any Windows version. So you can do it in any Windows version. So let me show you. You can see in the desktop right now I have one transparent folder which do not have any name. So I'm going to delete this folder and show you how to make a new folder like this, okay? So just delete this and you can see it's gone and there is no folder. So let's make a new folder at first and let's give it a name secure, but you can give it any name because we're going to make it invisible anyway. So first, to make this folder invisible, first you need to set nothing at its name, okay? You can still you may delete all of it and just hit enter, but it won't work in this way. You need to type some simple codes. You can see in the video that code is holding alt and pressing 0160 in your numpad, okay? If you don't have a numpad on your laptop, then you need to do it on different way. First you need to on the numlock key and then do same, just by pressing alt plus 0160 at the same time, okay? While typing 0160, be sure to press and hold the alt key, okay? And you will see something like this. If it did not work, then try again by pressing one time at numlock key, okay? It is just above the numpad. Then you need to go to the properties of the file and go to customize section, and here you can customize your folder icon, okay? These all are the icon. Let me show you one of them. When just select icon and click OK and click apply, and it will just show it up like that, but it is not showing similar as shown in icon in my computer, but this might be the bug in Windows 10. Okay, so for making it transparent, let's scroll up to the icons until you can see some transparency, okay? But that is not a transparent icon, it shows the shortcut icons, and you can see here are 4, okay? Here are 4 transparent icons, so we can apply anyone, and you can see I have just applied one of them and it's working, okay? Let's apply another and it's also working, guys. So they are working. Let's try another, and that's it, guys. I think all of them worked well for me and hope it worked well for you. And if it didn't work for you, don't forget to just comment below and I'll help you, okay? Sometimes it may not work for you guys, some of you, but in my previous window it was not working. This same process wasn't working, so this might not work for you as well. I am in latest update, so it might be working for me. Or if it's not working, try to make your view size some small. If you have set it as large or medium icons, okay, just change them from current default view settings, okay? So that's it for today's video. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up below and don't forget to comment as well, did you like it or not, okay? If it worked for you or not, just leave it comment and I will help you guys. And finally, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get updates at first when I upload further videos at future. Until that, peace out.